Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This is HP Deskjet 2922. It is a compact, budget, all-in-one inkjet printer for home use, offering print, copy, and scan functions, wireless connectivity, dual band Wi-Fi, mobile printing via HP app, and supports instant ink, HP instant ink, and uses HP ink cartridges 308, black and triple colors. It is designed for simple tasks, featuring an intuitive button control panel, but offers manual duplex double-sided printing with computer or laptop. So you can print manual duplex printing with your laptop, but you are not able to do that on mobile device. And also no borderless printing. So the key features: you can copy, scan, and print. Connectivity wise, you can connect this with dual band Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz. And also you have option to connect this hardwired via USB 2.0, Apple AirPrint, Mopria, mobile printing using HP app with your mobile phone. If you connect it with your laptop, then you need to connect it using HP Smart app. In terms of print speed, up to 7.7 prints per minute for black and 5.5 prints per minute for color. Resolution up to 4800 by 1200 dpi. Scanner, you got flatbed scanner up to 1200 by 1200 dpi optical resolution, and it scans A4 / letter size 4x6, etc. Paper handling sheet, 60 sheet input tray, 25 sheets output tray, manual double-sided printing with computer, and uses 308 black and triple color ink cartridges. And this printer is designed in white finish, and also is compact, and it got dynamic security to enable only original or reused HP chip work. This printer is ideal for home users needing basic, reliable printing, scanning, and copy, or those who print low to moderate volume. Recommended around 50 to 100 sheets pages per month. And users wanting wireless connectivity and mobile print. With this printer, you can print from anywhere. You can send the job to the printer using your mobile device or laptop. The limitation is no automatic duplex printing. So if you want to print double-sided, you need to connect the printer with laptop, and also you are not able to print double-sided from the mobile phone. You can only do that manually and when the printer is connected to the computer. And also no borderless printing and dynamic security, which blocks using different ink. So you gotta use HP ink. So these are the features, and this printer is also compatible with Windows 11, Windows 10, Mac OS Sequoia 15, Mac OS Solano 14, Mac OS Ventura 13, and 2 GHz SSD storage and internet. And also it's compatible with Chrome mobile device. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out, and see what is inside. So we have the quick start guide. Ink cartridges, black and triple color. Power cable. This is 3-pin power cable. more information pack. So this is what we got here. This is what it looks like. This is the scanner, flat bed scanner. And this is the real paper tray. So you can load up to 60 sheets paper, 5x7, 4x6, and A4. You switch the printer on and off from this button. This is LCD screen. Inside LCD screen, you will see the gauge for the ink cartridges and also Wi-Fi network signals or icons inside it. This button is for you to cancel. This button is resume. This button is Wi-Fi button, information button. This button is for you to copy color, and this button is for you to copy black. So the power cable goes to this port. The USB cable goes on the right side on the top. USB cable is not included in the packaging. So take the power cable, connect it to this port, and plug it onto the socket. Switch the printer on and off from this button. If you open up this place cover, pull it down. Once the printer is switched on and working, the ink holder will move from the corner and position on the center. So the colored ink goes to the left, the black ink goes to the right. So you can see the ink cartridge holder is now moving, and it will position itself to the center for the ink to be replaced. There we go. So this is where you load the ink. This is the unboxing and overview, and if you look on the screen, you will see this is LCD screen, and this is for you to switch the printer on and off. It's showing us now that the ink holder, you will see 2 lines at the bottom highlighting, and also a warning light means that the ink and the papers are not yet loaded. And this is the Wi-Fi button highlighting the printer is not yet connected to Wi-Fi network. So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. Thank you very much indeed.